Al-Wata Road. Right at Budanik and the left side is number 4. Budanik. Now ahead is Liberty Signal. From Liberty Signal, if you take right, the road name is King Abdul Aziz. And if you take left, the road name is Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed. Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed. But now we are going straight. So after signal continue, this is Al-Wata Road E11. Al-Wata Road E11. After signal, the right side area name is Abu Shagara. Abu Shagara. Abu Shagara have KM Trading Shopping Centers. Look your right side. KM Trading Shopping Center. And behind KM Trading, there is Nesto Hypermarket in Abu Shagara. Nesto Hyper. Right side Abu Shagara. Left side is number 4. Road name is Al-Wata. Now you look your right hand. This is City Max Hotel. City Max Hotel. Inside Abu Shagara. Front of Al-Wata Road. This is City Max main entrance gate. City Max. Bandak City Max. Now you are going to inside Abu Shagara. Abu Shagara. Abu Shagara have inside, this is big bazaar, supermarkets, hypermarkets, big bazaar.
क्या हो गया, ये किधर से आया, ये हमारा घर क्यों बर्बाद किया उसने?
ओह, बिग एक्सीडेंट।
वो पुराना ड्राइवर है,
इसका गलती है।
उसका गलती।
Bro, anybody you want to enter, you want to have money.
Cerca باص ديار دي دغا فوتوغرام ديال. اسكلي ما تدافع.
ये चौरंगी बहुत डेंजरस है।
वो बोलता मैं इधर से ऐसा जा रहा तो वो उधर से आया।
जिसका स्टाफ बोर्ड है उसका गलती हो जाएगा।
उसका तो जाहिर बात है उसका है। इसके लिए तो है नहीं, ये तो मेन रोड है, मेन रोड पे कोई स्टाफ डाल सकता है। वो भी बच्चों वाली बात है।
He's lucky. The other guy is fault. He has priority, you have priority.
Now you look your right side. This is
Shaja Cooperative.
Sharjah Cooperative Society inside Abu Shagara. Sharjah Cooperative Society. Jamiya Shar ka Tamaniya. Jamiya Shar ka Tamaniya. Hala. Now you look your right side. This is Etisalat branch building. Etisalat.
Bring one, bring.
Etisalat Abu Shagara. And also inside Abu Shagara we have Prime Tower Hotel. Prime Tower Hotel. This is Abu Shagara. This is the Prime Tower Hotel. If you take right from here, this is signboard. When you take right from here, you get behind this building, there is Prime Tower Hotel. Prime Tower. In Abu Shagara. Now you look your left side, this is Shwetram Supermarket. Shwetram Supermarket. And beside the Shwetram Supermarket, this is new day-to-day. Day-to-day shopping center. Day-to-day shopping center inside Abu Shagara. Day-to-day. Now we take right for Basma Residence. You know Basma Residence? Basma Residence also is hotel. Basma Residence. This is Basma Residence Hotel. Basma Residence Hotel Apartment. Basma Residence Hotel Apartment. So in Abu Shagara we have 3 hotels. City Max, Prime Tower and Basma Residence. Now your right hand, this is Amber Al Madina Supermarket. Now we take left and we get Istiqlal Road, Shara Istiqlal. Istiqlal Street. And beside the Istiqlal Street, your right and left, lot of used furniture showrooms. Used furniture showrooms, yani markets. Now your right hand, this is all is used furniture market. Used furniture market. This is Istiqlal Road. Left side, the name is Al-Nadal Qasmiya, and the right side Abu Shagara. Right side Abu Shagara. Al-Nadal Qasmiya. Left side Al-Nadal Qasmiya. Istiqlal Road. Now you look your left side, there is Bostan Tower Hotel and Bostan Hotel. Bostan Hotel and Bostan Tower Hotel. Plaza inside another Qasmiya near Istiqlal Road. Crystal Plaza. Now you look your left side, this is Crystal Plaza Hotel. Crystal Plaza Hotel. Right is immigration signal. Now we take right, free right. And before the signal, your right side, this is Central Bank of UAE. Central Bank of UAE. Masraf Amarat. Abu Shagara. Abu? This is King Abdul Aziz Road. What do you name of this road? King Abdul Aziz. King Abdul Aziz Road. Left side Bodanik area. Which area? Bodanik.
Tahsil.
Look your left side, this is Taskhil. In Bodanik. Taskhil. Road name is King Abdul Aziz Road. Shara Malik Abdul Aziz. Now your right side, this is KM Trading Shopping Center. KM Trading Shopping Center in KM Tijara. Ahead is Liberty Signal. Now we take U-turn from Liberty Signal. Liberty Signal. Before Liberty Signal, this is King Abdul Aziz Road. If we are going straight, under this signal we have tunnel. When you cross the tunnel, then road name is Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed. Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed. And this signal, if you take right and left, both side road name is Al-Wahda. Al-Wahda Road. Abdulaziz Road. What do you name of this road? King Abdulaziz, the right side Bodani and the left side Abu Shagara. Now your right side, this is Brands for Less Garment Showroom, opposite KM Trading Shopping Center. Now we're taking right for Bostan Hotel and Bostan Tower Hotel. And behind Bostan Tower Hotel there is Spark Residence Hotel. Now your right hand this is Bostan Hotel and your left side this is Bostan Tower Hotel. Now we take left for Spark Residence. Spark Residence, another Kasmiya. Spark Residence. Now you look your left side, this is Spark Residence. Spark Residence Hotel. Inside another Kasmiya. Now your right side, this is Istanbul Supermarket. Istanbul. Capital of Turkish. This is another Kasmiya. Al Abdur Tower. Inside Al Abdur Tower have Abu Hail Market. Souk Abu Hail. Souk Abu Hail. The right side this is Abu Hail Market. Inside Al Abdur Tower. Abaya Market. And your left side this is Splash Garment Showroom. Splash. This is Abaya Market. And your right hand inside Al Abdur Tower, beside the Splash Garments, Splash Garments Showroom. Another Kasmiya. Now you look your left side this building, this is Medcare Hospital. Medcare Hospital. And also have inside Esther, medical store, medical clinic, Medcare Hospital. Medcare Hospital. Now this is King Faisal Road. What do you name of this road?
King Faisal.
King Faisal Road. And King Faisal Road coming from industrial area. King Faisal. Now your right side, this is Medcare Hospital. And after Medcare Hospital, you look your right side, there is Nova Park Hotel. Nova Park. This is Nova Park Hotel. And behind Nova Park Hotel, there is Maha Regency Hotel. Maha Regency. Now your right side, this is a 4 Point by Sheraton Hotel. 4 Point by Sheraton Hotel. The same building inside have CG Mall. CG Mall. CG Mall. This is CG Mall, Carryford. CG Mall. Now this is bridge, and before this bridge, your right side, this is another Qasmiya. Under this bridge, if you take right from here, this is Al Zahra Street. Al Zahra. Al Zahra coming from Government Roundabout. And after this bridge, your right side, this is Al Sur area. Yesterday I explained you, this is Ittihad Square Park. You look your right side, this is King Faisal Mosque, and this is Ittihad Square Park. Beside the King Faisal Mosque, there is Al Sur Textile Market. Look there, signboard, there is Sukul Sur, Nilakmacha. The right side, this area name is Al Sur. And also Al Sur area connected to Government Roundabout. Which roundabout? Government Roundabout.
ये पार्किंग थोड़ा बताओ ध्यान में डाल दें.
Now your right side, you look at this parking behind the gold shop. Not allowed to park here, not allowed to drop the passenger here, and not allowed to pick passenger from here. This is only for bus, Dubai bus and Abu Dhabi bus, and also a line bus stop. Not for taxi. The taxi is strictly not allowed to pick passenger and drop the passenger in this bus stop. Okay, guys?
Yes.
If you park here only for 1 minute, then you get fined. So be careful. Now we are going under the King Faisal Road. The T road name is Al Aruba. This is Al Aruba Road, up and down. Both sides is Al Aruba. Al Aruba. And Aruba Road coming from Rola. You know Al Ghawair? From this side is Al Ghawair and this side is Al Khan. Now we are going to Jubail area. Which area? Jubail bus station. So after this Al Aruba Street, we get Al Jubail area. Which area? Now your right hand, this area name is Jubail. Al Jubail. Now you look your right side, this is Jubail bus station. Now head is right and I will take right from here. When you take right from here, the road name is Cornish. This is Cornish Road. What is the name of this road? Cornish. Right and left, both side area name is Jubail. Your left side, this building, this is Jubail Market. And inside Jubail Market, have meat market, vegetable fruit market and fish market. Opposite Jubail bus station. When you come in Jubail bus station, you take right from here and you drop passenger only 1 point. And you pick passenger from the 1 point taxi line. Look at this taxi line.
Yes.
When you come here, you drop passenger here beside this line. Okay? This is your drop off point. And also you pick passenger this line. And not allowed to stop anywhere and park here. Inside the Jubail bus station area. Only this one. Picking passenger and dropping the passenger. If you anywhere park, anywhere you pick the passenger, fine. And if you drop the passenger, then you get fine. This is the Jubail bus station rules and regulation. So must you following the rules and regulation for SRTA. The SRTA rules and regulation, your dropping point is in Jubail bus station, only 1 point is there. When you standing by queue allowed only 4 vehicles. How many vehicles?
4 vehicles.
If there is 3 vehicles in the queue, then you fourth one your vehicle. If 4 already have there, you're not allowed 5th vehicle. Okay guys? If you save your money, must you understand? And following the SRTA rules and regulations. This is Al Aruba Street. And when you take right from here in the Cornish Road, when you take right, so anywhere don't have to stop and don't need to drop the passenger, don't need to pick the passenger. Picking and dropping passenger, only 1 point is there. Now you look your right side, here this taxi queue. This taxi queue only for Sharia taxi. Sharia taxi is government taxi, you know? Sharia taxi is related to government. This is only for Sharia taxi queue. Only look here, all Sharia taxi. So when you take right from here, not allowed to park here. Okay guys? So after this right turn, if you get passenger, then you pick up. Before this right turn, not allowed. When you cross this right turn, and after this jump and pedestrian crossing, if you get passenger from here, then you pick up. Okay? And opposite there is Jubail Market. If you get passenger from there, you pick up. Only for this area. Specific this area. Near Jubail bus station. Okay? You understand too? Now your right side, this is a plant market, nursery. Road name is Cornish. Area name is Jubail. Area name is? Now your right and left, both sides is Jubail. And beside the Jubail market, there is seaside. Beside the sea. And there is have Al Abra. Same like Dubai. Abra. You know Abra? Abra, there is lot of ports. For trading, business, shipping. And now we are going to same in the Sharjah Cornish Road to Ajman. Okay? So now we are looking at the Sharjah Cornish Road, right and left areas, and what is the inside areas. So this is the first area, Jubail area in the Cornish Road. What is the name of this area? Jubail. Jubail inside have also Mina House Hotel. Mina? Now head is Roundup Road, and before Roundup Road if you take right, then you get the same, this area, Mina House Hotel. Now you look your right side, this is Etisalat branch building. Etisalat? And beside the Etisalat branch building, behind there is Mina House Hotel. Mina? And this Roundup Road, if you take right, the road name is Marija. The end of the Marija Road, the T road name is Al Aruba. Aruba. Now we are going straight, continue this Cornish Road. So after this Roundup Road, the right side area name is Marija. What is the name of this area? Al Marija. Marija inside have right side, this is Sharjah Calligraphy Museum. Sharjah Calligraphy Museum. Al Zahra Mosque. Al Zahra
Mosque.
After Calligraphy Museum, you look your right side, this is Al Zahra Mosque. Masjid Al Zahra. Masjid Al Zahra. And behind Al Zahra Mosque, there is another museum. Heritage Museum. Heritage Museum. And inside Heritage Museum, there is two markets. Al Arsa Market and Maskoof Market. Al Arsa Market and Maskoof Market inside Heritage Museum, inside Marija area. Which area? Marija. Now you look your right side, this is Al Bayt Hotel for old peoples. Here your right side, this is Al Bayt Hotel. Al Bayt Hotel inside Marija. Now your right side, this also is part of Sharjah, heart of Sharjah. Heart of?
Sharjah.
Heart of? Now you look your right side, this is Arabian Tea House. Arabian Tea House. Look your right side. Same like cafeteria, restaurant. But now your right side, this all area name is Marija. Now we are taking right from Cornish Road. This is Sharjah Bank Street. The old name is Bank Street now. What is the name of this street? Bank Street. Before bank is, lot of bank is here. But now remove bank from here. Now fix name Al Nadal Kasmiya and Mahatar Kasmiya. The mostly banks. And some bank also still is here. The left side area name is Shoheen. Left side area name is Shoheen. The right side, Marija. This is Tasheel. End of Bank Street, we got signal. You look ahead signal. And this signal, if you take right and left, both side road name is Al Aruba. Al Aruba. And if we are going straight, then you get Rola Park. Rola Park is there in Al Guwair. Now you look your left side, Al Qabail Center, Shoheen area, Al Qabail Center. Now your right side, this is Al Wafa Center, Al Wafa. Now you are looking Shoheen area, Shoheen. Shoheen area inside have Wafa Center and Qabail Center. Now you look your right and left, this is all small shops. And this is old markets inside Shoheen. Old market, right and left. All is this small shop market name is old market. In Arabic, Suq al-Qadim. Suq al-Qadim. Old market. And beside the old market, we have here is one Sara shopping center. Sara shopping center. Sara shopping center. This is Sara shopping center. Sara shopping center near old market inside Shoheen. Again we come back same Bank Street. This is Bank Street Shara Banook. Bank Street. And from Bank Street, we are again come back to Cornish Road. Which road? Cornish. This is Cornish Road. Cornish Road. Right side Shoheen area. Which area? Shoheen. Shoheen area inside have Kabail Center, Wafa Center, Old Market and Sara Shopping Center. Sara? Shopping Center. Now you look your right side. Here is Irani Market. Irani Market. Iranian Bazaar. This is Irani Market. And behind Irani Market there is Art Museum. Art Museum. Behind Irani Market. This building is the old one. This is Art Museum. Art Museum. Arts Foundation. And also Shoheen area inside have Monaco Hotel, Sahara Hotel, Sama Hotel and Jazeera Hotel. You know Jazeera? Jazeera Hotel. Before the signal, your right side, this is signboard Jazeera. Behind this building there is a hotel. That is the same building. The signboard giving arrow. So behind this building there is Jazeera Hotel. Al Jazeera. Before this signal, the right side area name is Shoheen. Which area?
Shoheen.
And this signal, if you take right, this is Arabian Gulf Road. Shara Khalij Arabi. If you take right from here, end of the road you get Clock Tower roundabout. Which roundabout?
Clock Tower.
Clock Tower. But we are going straight. After this signal to your right side, this area name is Mujarrah. Now you look your right side, this building. This is Sharjah Islamic Museum for Civilization. Sharjah Islamic Museum. Area name Mujarrah. Which area? Mujarrah. Behind Sharjah Islamic Museum there is one hotel, Shark Hotel. Shark. And now you look your right side, there is the one Mujarrah Residence Hotel. The blue glass building. This is Mujarrah Residence. Mujarrah Residence Hotel. Now we are taking right from here. There is also signboard is rent room. Inside Mujarrah have rent room. You know rent room?
Yes.
When you go inside the room, then rain is come. This is truly. Not a joke. Rain room. Gorfai Matar. Now you look your left side, this is Mujarrah Park. Mujarrah? Park. Front of Mujarrah Park in the right hand we have three hotels. Look your right hand, this is Al Rayyan Cornish Hotel, Al Feroz Hotel and Al Hamra Hotel. Al Hamra. This is Al Hamra Hotel. Beside the Mujarrah Park. Mujarrah Park. Rayyan Cornish Hotel, Al Feroz Hotel and Al Hamra Hotel. Inside Mujarrah. If we are going straight, the end of the road, your T road name is Shark Road. After Shark Road, there is Al Naba. Yesterday I showed you Al Naba area. Which area? Al Naba. But now we are taking the left. When you take the left, the right side, this is rain room. This is rain room. When you enter the room, then rain is come. Before entering, you have 25 dirham ticket price. You pay 25 dirham, then you enter. And enjoying the rain. Okay, guys. Don't sleep in the bus.
पानी पिलाओ पानी पानी कितने है
So again we come back to Cornish Road. The right side Mujarrah area. Now your left side start from here Al Sif. Which area? Al Sif. The Al Sif area inside has Al Maghfirah Mosque. Masjid Al Maghfirah. After Al Maghfirah Mosque, the left side Radisson Blue Hotel. Radisson Blue. we take right, and this is Sheikh Sultan bin Sakar Road. Right side Mujarrah, and the left side area name is Gulayya. Left side this area name is Gulayya. Gulayya area inside have the same road. The left side Firdaus Hotel apartment. This is Al Firdaus Hotel apartment. Al Firdaus Hotel apartment. Now head is bridge, and under bridge have roundabout. Now we take U-turn from the roundabout, and if we are going straight, after this roundabout we get fire station roundabout, and after this roundabout right side Al Nabba and the left side Botina. Before this roundabout your right side this is a Hala residence in Mujarrah area. Hala residence in Mujarrah area. Now we take U-turn from the roundabout, and if we are going straight, the right side Al Nabba and the left side Botina. Then we get Matafi roundabout, Dawar Matafi, fire station roundabout. And this roundabout, if you take right and left, both side road name is Shark. Now you look your right side, this is Al Reem Hotel apartment, Al Gulayya. Reem Hotel apartment, Sheikh Sultan bin Sakar Road, opposite Mujarrah. This is Firdaus Hotel apartment, Firdaus. And behind Al Firdaus Hotel apartment there is Al Amwaj Hotel. Al Amwaj Hotel inside Gulayya. Right is roundabout, and before roundabout we take free right. Again we come back same Cornish Road. And after this roundabout continue to your left side, this area name is Al Sif, and the right side area name is Gulayya. In English Gulayya, and the Arabic Al Kliya. Now you look your left side, this is Old Sheikh Palace. Old Sheikh Palace. This is Old Sheikh Palace, Al Sif area, Cornish Road, opposite Gulayya. Now you look your right side have, there is one hotel name is Royal Hotel. Royal Hotel. This is Royal Hotel, Al Gulayya. Royal Hotel. Now head is roundabout, and after roundabout continue to the right side area name is Gulayya, and the left side Al Sif. Al Sif. And also Al Gulayya area inside have Supreme Council for Family Affairs. And your right in this building. This is Supreme Council for Family Affairs. Supreme Council for Family Affairs. And you look your left side, this is Sharjah Ladies Club, Nadi Saidat Sharka. Sharjah Ladies Club, Al Sif area, opposite Gulayya. Supreme Council for Family Affairs. Supreme Council for Family Affairs. Now head is roundabout, and before roundabout Cornish Road finish. Cornish Road finish. If we are going straight after roundabout, road name is change. After roundabout the road name is Al Hira. But before roundabout we take free right. Now we are looking inside Gulayya, there is Saudi German Hospital. Saudi German Hospital. This is Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakar Road. What is the name of this road? If we are going straight end of Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakar Road, we get Cultural Square, yani Quran roundabout. Quran roundabout. But now your left side, right side, this is Gulayya, and this is Saudi German Hospital, and the left side area name is Al Fish. Now head is roundabout. Now we take U-turn from the roundabout, and this roundabout, if you take right and left, both side road name is Shark. Also Gulayya area inside have Sharia Cooperative Society and Emirates European Hospital. The same front of Shark Road. When we come back from Ajman side, come back the same Shark Road, then I show you Sharia Cooperative Society and Emirates European Hospital. Now your right side this is Al Botina, and now your right opposite this is Al Sharkan. this is Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakar Road. Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakar. Now right side Al Feast and the left side area name is Gulaiya. Saudi German Hospital, Emirates European Hospital, Supreme Council for Family Affairs, and also Reem Hotel and Firdaus Hotel, Al Amwaj Hotel, Royal Hotel. End of Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakar Road, there roundabout. This roundabout, if you take left, then you get Cornish Road. But now we take right, free right. When you take free right, then you get Al Hira Street, Al Hira Road, Shara Al Hira. After this roundabout, the right side Al Fish area and the left side area name is Muntaza. Muntaza is beside the sea. And Muntaza inside have Sharjah Beach and Sharjah Cornish. Sharjah Beach for swimming. This is Al Hira Street. Right side Al Fish area. Which area? And the left side Al Muntaza. Area name is Al Muntaza. Cornish. Area name is Al Fist. Road name is Al Hira. Opposite Muntaza. Now your right side, this is Al Fist Park. This is Al Amwaj Hotel, Al Fist, Al Amwaj. And your left side Muntaza area. Muntaza. Beside the sea. Have festival is there. Road name is Al Hira. Resort. Yani Greenhouse Hotel. Greenhouse Hotel. After signal, the continued road name is Al Hira. And left side continued area name is Al Muntaza. Muntaza. Now you look your right side. This is Greenhouse Resort. Al Rifa area. Al Hira Street. Left side Muntaza and the right side Al Rifa area. Al Rifa area inside have Dana Al Buhaira Hotel. Look your right side, there is Dana Al Buhaira. Dana Al Buhaira Hotel. Beside Dana Al Buhaira there is Thailand Massage Center. Thailand Massage Center. Beside the Thailand Massage Center there is Emirates International Hospital. Your right side, this is Emirates International Hospital. Left side area name is Muntaza. Road name is Hira. Al Hira Street. Now you look your left side this building. This building inside have Muntaza, and this building name is Sheraton Sharjah Beach Hotel. Sheraton Sharjah Beach Hotel. Sheraton Sharjah Beach Hotel, Muntaza area, Al Hira Street, opposite Al Rifa area. This is a very beautiful building. Sheraton Sharjah Beach Hotel. Sheraton Sharjah Beach. Area name is Muntaza. Now you look your left side this building. This is Coral Beach Hotel. Coral Beach. Coral Beach Hotel. After Coral Beach Hotel, ahead is roundabout. This is last roundabout in Sharjah. Before this roundabout, your right side Arafah and the left side area name is Muntaza. In Muntaza, this is last hotel in Sharjah. After roundabout, start Ajman. This roundabout we don't have straight. We have only right and left. If you take right from the roundabout, the road name is Arunur Rashid. Arunur Rashid. Arunur Rashid Road. The next roundabout name is Luna Roundabout. Now we come back to Emirates Cab Smart Train Department. Now your left side, this is Mataj Al Merkab, and behind Mataj Al Merkab there is Shurta Tawari, emergency police station. Emergency police station. When you are fighting and me fighting, then anyone call to emergency police station, and emergency police station come by helicopter. You don't need to fight anywhere, okay? Now height is roundabout. This roundabout, if you take right and left, both side road name is Sheikh Mohammed bin Sultan. Sheikh Mohammed bin Sultan. If you take right end of the road, you get Al Hira Street. After roundabout, right side Al Fisht. Right side Al Fisht. Left side Sharkan. Road name is Shark. What is name of the street? Shark. Right side Al Fisht. Can you tell me what is inside Al Fisht area? What? Amwaj Hotel then? Then? Al Raha Hotel, Al Raha. What is inside Sharkan area? Yes. Sharkan. NMC Medical Center, front of Shark Road, opposite Al Fisht. Is roundabout, and before roundabout, if you take right and left, both side road name is Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakar. This roundabout, if you take right and left, both side road name Sheikh Mohammed bin Sakar. but we are going straight. Continue to Shark Road. After roundabout, the right side area name is Gulaya, and the left side area name is Batina. And you tell me, what is inside Batina?
Ghana.
Batina, not Batana.
Let's go. Let's go.
Jonathan, you are afraid from Bengali, yes. I see you. साला तुम डरता है मैं देखा
ये सामा हमारा कंपनी फी
तुम्हारा कंपनी
man too much have my before when me working too much have me
Oh,
every
see?
day I throw myself.
You see my friend,
Yes. If me I speak
my friend,
direct say
follow you very quickly, but you are afraid. Come back. Really, you
Now the right side area name is Gulaya. The left side Batina. Road name is Shark. Now you look your left side Batina, inside have Fine Fair supermarket. This is Fine Fair. Fine Fair supermarket. Now your right side, this is Shatta Cooperative Society. And beside the Shatta Cooperative Society, there is Emirates European Hospital. Emirates European Hospital. Beside the Shatta Cooperative Society. This is Jamia Sharkat Amaniya. This is European Hospital. Emirates European Hospital. Al Gulaya. Road name is Shark. Shark Road. Now ahead is bridge, and before this bridge, right side Gulaya and the left side area name is Batina. Batina. After bridge, right side Mujarra and the left side area name is Al Naba. Al After bridge, you get the shopping center inside Al Naba, Baby Park Center and Mubarak Center and Lulu Hypermarket. And after bridge, your right side, this is Mujarra area, Hala Residence. Hala Residence. This is Hala Residence. Now you look your left side, this is Baby Park Center. Al Naba area. Baby Park Center, front of Shark Road. Opposite Mujarra. Now you look your left side, this is Lulu Hypermarket. Al Naba area. Opposite Rent Room. This is Rent Room. Mujarra. Now you look your left side, this is Markaz Mubarak. Mubarak Center. Mubarak Center. Inside Al Naba. Opposite Mujarra. Shark Road. Now ahead is bridge, and before bridge, Shark Road finish. Shark Road. After bridge, road name is Al Aruba. Al Aruba. And before this bridge, your left side, this is Swiss Bell Hotel. Swiss Al Naba area. Swiss Bell. And after this bridge, Al Aruba Street, the right side Shoheen, and left side Al Guer area. Which area? Al Guer Rola. Al Guer Rola. Road name is Al Aruba. Right side Shoheen. This is Shoheen area. Shoheen. Shoheen. Now ahead is signal, and under the signal have tunnel. If we are going straight, we use a tunnel. And if you need to take U-turn or take right and left, then you use the signal. We are going straight, we use the tunnel. When you cross the tunnel, left side continued Al Guer area, but after tunnel, the right side area name is Marija. Road name continued Al Aruba Street. Al Aruba. Al Aruba Street. Now your right side, this area name is Marija. Marija. Now you look your left side, this is a New Gold Center, Sharjah, and the KM Trading Shopping Center. After KM Trading Shopping Center, left side this area name is Umul Tarafa. Umul Tarafa. And the right side this is Marija. Before this bridge. Ahead is bridge, and before bridge, the right side our area name is Marija. And Marija inside have SNTTA. Sharjah National Tourist Travel Agencies. Lot of travel agencies is here in Marija area. Look your right side, this is travel agencies. Look your right side, this is also is travel agencies. SNTTA. SNTTA, Sharjah National Tourist Travel Agencies in Marija area. After Marija, Right side, this is Jubail area. Look your right side. View of the Jubail. This is Jubail area and the left side Al Sur area. Al Sur. If we are going straight and continue, this is Al Aruba Street. Al Aruba. But now we take right. Right side, this is Jubail bus station. Jubail bus station. Now we take U-turn from underpass. Then when we take U-turn, the continue, this is Al Aruba Street. Right side Jubail and the left side Al Sur. Al Sur. This is Jubail market, fish market, meat market, and vegetable and fruit market inside this market. This is Sharjah Bridge in Al Aruba City. Sharjah Bridge. What is the name of this bridge? Sharjah Bridge. When you take U-turn from here, then your right side, this is Mijaz number 1, but this is day 5 location. Day 5. This is Gold Souk, Islamic Souk and Central Souk. This is Al Aruba Street, Sharai Al Aruba. Sharai Al Aruba. This is King Faisal Road. What is the name of this road? King Faisal. Left side Al Sur area. Right side Mijaz number 1. Mijaz number 1. And this building we have 5 names.
This parking have
How many names?
5 names.
5 names. Gold Souk, Islamic Souk and Central Souk. Blue Souk and Train Souk.
बस स्टेशन में
इसके लिए तो मैं इधर लाया, लेकिन ये तो ट्रेन सूखने लगा है।
This is Cornish Road. Sorry, King Faisal Road. And under this bridge, this is Mohera Cornish Road. Mohera Cornish. So this is your right side. This is all day 5 location. Day 5. Now your left side, this is CG Mall. CG Mall. Al Natal Kasmiya left side. Al Natal Kasmiya. Right side Majaz number 1, day 5. Left side, day 3. Now we take left from this signal. When we take left, the road name is Istiqlal. If we are going straight, this is continued with King Faisal Road. King Faisal Road. हाँ उनका डे 4 है मेरे ख्याल।
कुछ नहीं है, उसके पास 2 ग्रुप है। एक दिन एक ग्रुप को डे 1 देते हैं, फिर दूसरा दिन दूसरे ग्रुप को डे 1 देते हैं।
अच्छा ऐसा है।